Hello everybody, welcome back. We are here in Richmond again. So we're staying in suite number 529. We are here at the Courtyard Richmond Marriott. So it says here, these are the schedule of rates. I don't know what that is. Maybe that's like a monthly charge or something because we did not pay anywhere near that. But yeah, here is the room right here. We are here for an event. It's like a chocolate wine whiskey event. And yeah, we decided to stay here. So I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a room tour. So this is a conjoining room right here. We're on the 5th floor, room 529, as I told you before. So we're gonna start here in the bathroom as usual. Hello everybody, how is everyone? All right, here we go. Little granite, marble, whatever, granite countertop here. Pretty standard sink. There is a walk-in shower. I do like walk-in showers, but there is no door, so it is gonna be open. So it's gonna be open, it might be a little cold. There's your toilet there. Boom, there's the lovely lady. So it is kind of a little bit spacious bathroom here. The shower is nice and big actually. It is very, very spacious here. Plenty of room. Look at that. I can just put my, you can't even touch it. But there, yeah, nice spacious. We got of course the accompaniments, the accoutrement, as I like to say, on the wall there, and the drain there. They are lacking here. I do love UK showers in their hotels because they actually give you the little wandy thingy there. All right, so we do have a full-length mirror so you can check yourself out, as well as a Narnia door right here. Boom, there's your normal stuff, your ironing board and your iron. We will come into the rest of the room here. This is a king, and it said it was a sofa bed or a sofa couch. Maybe I guess that pulls out. I don't know. Who knows? But there's the king bed. We do have a microwave. We do have coffee. And do we have a fridge? We do have a fridge, but is there anything in it? There's nothing in it. Cool. Okay, so there's a fridge. We're only here for one night, so we actually will not need that. But there's a nice big desk here for you to do your stuff. But if you are working and someone else is in here, they're going to be sitting there and you probably won't be able to see the TV. But there is a TV in here. LG. We do have some storage right here. I have yet to see a safe. I'm guessing there is no safe in this room, which kind of sucks, to be honest.
Oh, they have a bottle opener.
Oh, there's a is that a bottle opener? There you go, nice little bottle opener right there. Yeah, so I do not see a safe in this room, which kind of sucks, to be honest with you. I believe that, not really sure why some hotel rooms don't have safes. There's, all right, that cut out right there for some reason, but yeah, some religious text right there in there. But that's a pretty big couch. That actually looks like a nice, comfy looking couch. But supposedly, it's supposed to be a sleeper sofa. Let's see. Let's see if it is. And it is. There it is, right there. Boom, sleeper sofa. It's a big old sleeper sofa. And let's see. Yeah, let's check out the view. Let's see what view we have. Oh, that is beautiful. That is a beautiful view. We have a view right into someone's apartment. Someone putting their shoes on. What?
It must be like, oh my God.
And a nice, dirty, dingy alleyway. There's some graffiti and all sorts of things. But yeah, we're here for a whiskey and like chocolate wine kind of thing. But I think that's it for this video here. So yeah, pretty short and sweet like we usually do. So if you do need a safe, maybe they can bring you one. I doubt it. But yeah, there's no safe that I see. Let me double check in here. Let's look. Nope, no safe. So Marriott, what are you doing? Why is there no safe? That's like the simplest thing that you can put in a room for someone is just a safe to keep things safe. But that's all we got for you. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. Check out the rest of the videos that we may have coming from here. And as always, tripping ain't easy, but it sure is fun.